Jewel concert.
Use your Shush card and grab General Mills Cheerios, 8.9 ounces for 99 cents. The limit is 4. Shaw's is, of course, the official supermarket, the Red Sox radio network. 8-5, Boston, 5th inning. Nobody on base, a dangerous hitter in the box on the left side, Hamilton. And the pitch. Fastball outside. 3-2.
And he's also up to 81 pitches. 4 innings plus 1 batter.
Cat is very mad. What a mad cat.
Swinging is a high fly ball to the center field. He crushed this one. She is gone. Into the bleachers. Josh Hamilton just killed it.
Fat and cat.
And it's back-to-back home runs.
Baby, you're getting your butt kicked.
And homered 3 times in the last
Fatten.
2 innings.
Get him, Fatten. Get him.
Get
Get him, Fatten. Kick his ass. Fatten is biting.
Well, that was a fastball. It was about thigh-high, inner half of the plate.
Fatten. Fatten, he's chewing on him. Fatten is a killer move. Oh, Fatten. He's gonna jump. This is gonna be great. She's gonna get it. Get him, Fatten. Get him.